Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your MAC address of your PC and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is open your command prompt as administrator and then type get MAC. Once you do this, here you'll see your MAC address. Now what you have to do is open your start menu and then type register editor. Open register editor and then double click on HKey local machine and then right click on system, then click on find. Here you have to get back over to CMD and then copy this path which is inside bracket. Make sure you copy the brackets as well. Then paste your path here which you copied and then click on find next. Here what you have to do is right click on this white empty option, then click on new and then click on string value. Then you have to name it exactly like I'm doing, network address. Click enter, then double click on it and then you have to change your MAC address. Just make sure you type the same exact MAC address but change it according to you. For my case it is 4E in the last, so I changed it to 5E and then click OK. Once you do this, now what you have to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard and it will open run dialog box. Just type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now here you'll see your Ethernet. Just right click it, disable it and then enable it again. After doing so, go back to your command prompt and type get MAC again, and as you can see it has changed for me. It says 4E before but now it is 5E. So yeah, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.